Guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm starting a mini series on React hooks. As a React hooks very important topic if you are learning React or already a React developer. So in this video we will learn about useState, which is one of the most useful React hooks. If you find it useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so I have already created React app. To run the app, just type in terminal npm start and hit enter. Okay. Okay, this is the screen. Let me minimize the screen. Okay, it's showing nothing here. So what we're gonna do, this is our app component. I'm writing here hello so we can see it. Okay. Hello. Yes, it's showing here. So React hooks are special functions which we can hook in React features. So let's start with basic. Create two files. I already created style.css and I styled it. Now let me create one file with name useState.js. Okay. Here I will type React arrow function export component. Okay, good. Okay, inside this here I will make two divs inside one div. Okay, I'll have one div with name center.div, third div. Okay, center. I have this will be our main div. Inside it I will create one paragraph. Okay, and else I forgot to create a div. Button, I will name it button 2. Okay, this will be our class. Okay, inside it I'll paste this paragraph. Okay, next I want 4 spans. Okay, this is 1, 2, 4. Sorry, made a mistake. Span like this. Okay, this is our first div inside a main div. I'll copy this. Wait. Increment. I will copy this, paste it. Okay, I'll remove this paragraph. Instead of increment I will write decrement. Okay, that's good. This is our first div and this is my second div. Okay, we want to see how's our user state looking, so we will import it in app.js. Now let me first import the CSS file here. Oops, what is this? Okay, import style.css. Good. Now we want to import our user state in, let me correct the spelling. So we exported use state. Good. Now I will import it in app.js. I will remove this. How we can import the component? Okay. Good. So it's showing some errors. Let me check. Where is the error? Use state. I type it here. Okay, let me correct the name. Let me rename it. I think I made a mistake. No? Yeah. It's perfectly working. I think I made a mistake. Wait. Okay, my number is showing inside the button. Okay, I made a mistake. I have to keep this paragraph out of the div. Paste, save. Yeah, perfectly. Okay, now what we're going to do? It's showing. I have hard coded, showing 10. Okay, perfect. Now we want. Okay, perfect. Now we want, if we click on increment button, the value should increment. So for that we have our hooks. In the end, hooks are used to manage project state. There are many hooks in React. Like we have our use state. It is main hook to manage state. To use state, simply we gonna write here in app.js. Before return we have to like const well, use state returns array of two elements. One is current value and other is updated data. So my current value will be my num. Okay, and the updated value will be set my num. Okay, good. Here I will use state. Use state take parentheses of initial data. Okay, good. Now we will import our use state. So we have two ways to import use state. One is we can write it like react dot. This is one way, and the other way will be, let me remove this. Here you can brackets. Okay, inside it use state. Good. Okay, it's already imported for me. I don't need to write it. So I will remove. So now what we have to do is we will define our initial data. So to initialize const initial data is equal to 0. I think I made a mistake, a spelling mistake. Let me copy and paste. Yeah, I think I made a spelling mistake. Okay. Now we want, if we click on the increment button, it will increment for us. So what we're going to do here, after button, we'll call on click. Okay, and open arrow function. Inside it we'll write, so my num will be our current value and set my num will be our updated value. So I want, if we click on this button, the value should increment. So set my num, which is updated value, we'll take my num plus 1. So it will plus, every time it will plus 1. Okay. Okay, instead of this, I will call state value here. So it's showing here 0. If I click, okay, it's working perfectly. Okay, it's not working because we have to call here on click. Okay, I want to caps on click. On click. We'll open here fat arrow. Here we will use ternary operator. Why? Because we don't want the number should not go below 0. We don't want it in minus. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a ternary operator. Okay, my num, if my num is greater than 0, apply this, set my num minus 1, and if it's not, set my num to 0. To 0. Okay, let me save. Let me refresh the page. Okay, so let's try. And this is it. This is the beauty of useState hook. It will help you to manage state. So let me try the decrement button. See, it's not going below 0. That's all in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.